Don't download Trello Enterprise Team Suite app before watching this. Don't download Trello Enterprise until you understand what makes it different from the free and standard versions. Most people assume it's the same simple boards with a bigger price tag. But the surprising truth is that Trello Enterprise can transform your entire workflow if you use it properly. Trello is famous for its clean, visual cards. But in the Enterprise Suite, the real power comes from advanced automations, unlimited workspaces, security features, and integrations. You won't believe how many teams still use it like a basic to-do list and never tap into its full potential. Before downloading, think about your structure. Trello Enterprise works best when your organization uses multiple boards for different teams: marketing, finance, operations, sales, and support. With central admin controls, you can maintain uniform processes across all boards. Next, consider the Butler automation engine. Most people get this wrong. They only use simple rules, like moving a card when it's marked done. But Butler can create dynamic workflows, assign tasks, set due dates, and send advanced notifications based on card activity. When you use Butler well, Trello becomes far more than a Kanban board. Another hidden strength is its integration ecosystem. Trello connects with Slack, Google Workspace, Jira, and dozens of other tools your business already uses. This keeps your teams aligned without switching apps constantly. The biggest benefit? Enterprise-level visibility. You can track progress at a high level using dashboards and workspaces instead of hopping between individual boards. So should you download it? Yes, if your business wants a flexible, visual system that scales as your teams grow. But if you only need a simple task list, Enterprise may be more than you need. If this saved you time, subscribe for more app reviews before you download anything important.